Hey, it's Anissa, and I am so thrilled to share with you one amazing deal on the PedEgg Powerball system. Now, this is a great system that's going to really treat your feet. So let's take a look at the commercial.
Introducing the PedEgg Powerball, the most advanced callus remover ever. For fast, pain-free results you'll love. The secret's the all-new genuine diamond Z4 coated 40% larger nano abrasion roller head, combined with the exclusive pivoting Powerball that conforms to the curves of your foot, leaving soft, beautiful skin behind. Look at that! PedEgg Powerball's pivoting head gives you complete coverage while the other unit leaves rough skin behind. You'll visibly see and feel the difference after your very first use for sexy feet year-round. Spinning at up to 2,000 RPMs, its diamond Z4 coated surface gently buffs away the toughest dead skin, and its bright LED light is perfect for those hard-to-see calluses. The PedEgg Power is now America's #1 selling callus remover, but it just got better. With its exclusive pivoting Powerball, bright LED light, ergonomic handle, and 40% larger genuine diamond Z4 coated nano abrasion roller head, the PedEgg Powerball is the most advanced callus remover ever made. So whether you've got cracked heels, dry painful calluses, or rough dry skin, you need the PedEgg Powerball, the easiest way to smooth beautiful feet.
Now, I know that sounds great, but this gets even better. This exclusive kit gets you not only the PedEgg Powerball, it gets you the rechargeable version, which is 40% more powerful. And then you also get a great pair of toenail clippers and fingernail clippers. And these have easy grip handles, which allow for more leverage and precision. That's gonna allow you to clip and trim even the thickest of nails. Now, I said we had an amazing deal. Now get this, HSN sold this kit for $30. You are not gonna pay anywhere near that. And if you're wondering, are there refills? Yes, there is. We have a 2-pack on our site, but the refills and this kit have a limited quantity. So make sure you grab one before they sell out. Head on over to PulseTV right now.